डांस मूव
Who? Love it.
मेरी जरूरतें कम है इसलिए मेरे जमीर में दम।
अरे वाह क्या बात है और
Sing
हम
हम।
भी किसी से कम है. What is your nickname at home?
So my mummy calls me Baba. See the Punjabi, I'm full on. They,
पंजाबी
But-
परांठे शरांठे खाते हैं कि चलता पे सैलेड सैलेड.
उनके में एक्टर भी है ना पंजाबी में. I was inspired by the character Chulbul Pandey
Oh wow.
from The Bunk.
Iconic.
I think what happens is when a film like Dhurandhar or a film like Animal works at the box office, it benefits everyone on the film, especially these actors who are doing such great job. वो चीज उस फिल्म के बारे में इतनी प्यारी थी कि लोग जब भी वो फिल्म को देखते हैं कहते हैं यार ये हमारी कहानी है, लड़के खास करके.
True that.
Certain projects I was close to being locked or finalized, and then I got to know someone else from an influential family. Like some star son has sort of replaced. Said that you were really good in the film. You're a good actor. The makers appreciated, but I want to understand why it didn't translate into opportunity.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, बॉलीवुड में जिस एक्टर के पास है अच्छे संस्कार उसका नाम है ओमकार. Hi everyone, you're watching us on Bollywood Live Z Media. This is Gaurika and today I'm with Bollywood's handsome hunk. What's up?
Thank you for having me here. It's always a pleasure being on Bollywood Live. And well, lots of things are exciting. Looking forward to that.
So, there's a different kind of a glow today. So, what is the raz for your glow? And, how are you exuding such glow?
I think just your company is making me
Oh,
glow,
yeah,
so
of course.
which is there. But I think it's just trying to lead a healthy lifestyle and some good genetics, maybe that's
Like a healthy lifestyle, yes.
all. Yeah, like just a salad that we are having right now. So yeah, trying to balance it off.
Yeah. So, talking about your recent release, Uff Ye Siyapa, we were in love in your cop avatar. So, can you just tell us more कि ऐसी कौन सी cop qualities है जो आपने real life में adapt करी?
I mean, as an actor, जब आप play करते हो एक character, तो there are certain things you try to imbibe and get inspired by. And so for the film, obviously, I was inspired by the character Chulbul Pandey
Oh wow,
from The Bunk.
iconic.
हाँ जी. So I think because the character was written as such कि वो उनका fan है. So there was a little bit of inspiration from him, and I tried to mimic him in a few things, in a few scenes. So yeah, it was fun playing a cop because he was not a very serious cop. थोड़ा सा वो जितना दबंग दिखाता है अपने आप को उतना ही डरपोक भी है. तो मजेदार था, मजा आया.
One cop dialogue.
One cop dialogue.
I put him on the spot.
Straight away, like that. There've been so many, but I like it. मेरी जरूरतें कम है इसलिए मेरे जमीर में दम.
अरे वाह क्या बात है और
Sing
हम
हम.
भी किसी से कम है. So the food is already here and with that it reminds me that प्यार का पंच नंबर 2 के 10 साल पूरे हो गए हैं, हो रहे हैं. So what do you have to say about that? Because decade बहुत ऐसा लग रहा था ये कल की तो बात थी. So is it the same for you? How are things?
Well, it's definitely not the same for me, but
Yeah.
it's been a long time. It's been 10 years. Things have moved on. People have moved on. And, so am I trying to move on as well. But there are some great pleasant memories that we have as an association together. And there is obviously that film gave so much to all of us, especially to me, being a newcomer in the film industry.
Yes.
And yeah, I mean, in the sense that it was a great reunion, friendship kind of a film, and we had a great time shooting, bonding. We used to go for holidays together in the name of workshops. So all those things used to happen. So it was a fantastic experience working on that film, and people still remember it. People still watch it on OTT, whenever it comes.
With their friends.
Pardon?
With their friends.
With their friends.
Yeah.
And वो चीज उस फिल्म के बारे में इतनी प्यारी थी कि लोग जब भी वो फिल्म को देखते हैं कहता है यार ये हमारी कहानी है, लड़के खास करके.
True that, बिल्कुल.
So, हाँ, I think वो चीज है. I don't know how much would you agree, being a girl, whether you would like it or not like it.
But
But did you
get
feel-
the reality check.
But did you feel that? Yeah, even I do that, or did you feel that no, they've been biased?
I mean, sometimes some parts of the film they were like biased, but yeah, सबका
Okay.
अलग-अलग take है. But now we want to know your take.
Okay.
So, talking about friendship with Karthik, Nusrat के साथ you've collaborated again. What were the talks when you met them again? And whenever you meet them at events, because we तो spot you going to the events and being in the limelight, and so how is it when you guys meet each other cross paths, and what are the conversations all about?
Well, we
Yeah.
because Karthik is so busy currently because he's shooting so much constantly.
Yeah.
So we hardly end up meeting because we hardly have, but we do end up meeting on social occasions once in a while. But it's always a pleasant memory. I mean, with him there is a certain kind of camaraderie I believe I have, and it's always fun chatting up with him because we have our voice talk.
Voice talk, like
Like is not filtered for the camera.
we'll put beeps.
No, I think let that be between me and him.
Okay.
So yeah, he's a fun, loving, entertaining person, and now I'm really happy that he's doing so well for himself. So yeah,
And the common factor here is that no godfather for Karthik and for you as well.
yeah.
You both have carved your own path, your own niche.
I mean, in the sense, obviously, Karthik is way bigger a star today because of the kind of opportunities that he happened to get.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, in the sense that we both started off with, we are so-called outsiders. We didn't have any
True that.
backing or influence or anyone telling us that how to go about it. Yeah, I mean, ideally, we do have Love Sir in common as our mentor. We can say that that's where my journey or his journey started off from. Yeah, the association has been good, and but we can see that we earned our debut films and we earned all of this on our merit, on our hard work,
Yes.
with no influence, no one calling up, no anything as such, purely on our hard work and merit.
And what about Nusrat? What kind of a bonding do you share with Nusrat?
I mean, Nusrat is always a warm person to work with, and there's a certain mutual respect I have with her as an actor because she's also a fantastic actor, I feel, and still a long way to go for her for the kind of performances she can do actually.
Yeah.
So it's pleasant to work with her always, and yeah, I hope that she does get her due, which I feel she deserves, and yeah, it's always fun even on reuniting on the film.
Yeah.
It was good working with her.
Also, if you're talking about actors getting their dues,
Yeah.
you saw Animal ke time pe, Bobby Deol, like,
Yeah.
finally Lord
Yeah.
Bobby, and then he was a big star back then also, but
Yeah.
now it created a buzz, the viral song. And now in Dhurandhar, look at what happened with Akshay Khanna.
Yeah.
So do you think that actors are getting their dues उस टाइम पे मतलब बहुत
Yeah.
आगे जाके मतलब when they deserve it the most,
Yeah.
nobody's talking about
Yeah.
that. But when, I mean, they are naturally
Yeah,
doing
out
it,
of-
not expecting. So how is it, how do we change this pattern,
Well, I would say as long as it's working for them and as long as there is a great amount of appreciation for all these actors, because they've been working there all their life for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, the actors that you mentioned, and they've given some great performances before as well and some box office success as well.
Yes, true that.
So I think what happens is when a film like Dhurandhar or a film like Animal works at the box office, it benefits everyone on the film, especially these actors who are doing such great jobs. And yeah, so I'm happy that these actors are getting their due finally in some way or
Finally,
the other.
And also, see, in this part, people are talking about Akshay Khanna, but now they're forgetting Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
So again, these things are, I mean,
I don't think
do
they're
these things
forgetting.
bother? I mean, they're not talking much about him.
Okay.
He's also put in his 100%. So, I mean, how do actors, deal with all these things? Do they get affected do they also go to the comment section? You know, if we talk about you, do you go to the comment section? You know, what people have to say about your work and what they are talking about. Is it like that, or like you just switch off that button of yours and you're totally devoted and dedicated towards your work? I mean, do actors also think what people
No, obviously,
think?
I mean, actors do expect a certain amount of public appreciation and validation.
Yes, true that.
So we are nothing without an artist, is nothing without an audience, basically.
Right.
But so as long as definitely you get that kind of appreciation from the audience, and it translates into numbers at box office. लोग आ रहे हैं टिकट खरीद के आपकी फिल्म देखने के लिए, which when they put their money behind what they are feeling like, is when you feel like, yeah, this is what true success in terms of that is.
Yeah.
So as an actor personally, if you ask me, I'm too newcomer in a space myself, so kind of there's still a long way to go in terms of having that sort of a box office value as such. Yeah, in the sense that I'm also looking forward to that, and I'm trying to get to a space with some more successful films and projects where, and I believe that I can, get there, because.
And we also believe that.
Thank you
And
for-
you know what?
thank you for
And you
doing
know,
that.
everybody is manifesting.
Yeah,
So-
thank you for doing that, because may universe listens to you.
Yes, please.
So I think that is very much possible in my case as well, because I have sort of given the glimpse to the audience before, and they have loved me and they
Yes.
have appreciated me. So I would love that to happen. Yeah.
Yeah. So one thing that I have to bring here
Okay.
is your childhood debut.
Okay.
You started off as a child artist and Judwa hero #1. What a cute baby
No,
back
I
then.
wasn't- I
back
wasn't-
then.
I wasn't
but
cute
now
at
your
all.
fans are saying that you're even cuter. So, so here you can take your time around.
Okay.
So, what are the memories if you go back in time? Do you remember those days? And do you remember your very first audition? How did you crack it? How did you make your way?
Obviously, there was a long process to getting a debut like Pyar Ka Panchnama 2.
Ji.
And I had, like I said, no godfather, no mentor as such till then. And we started off from there, and Bakaida, there were a normal, how a new boy comes to the city to become an actor. So मैंने वैसे ही अपनी मेहनत वहाँ से शुरुआत की थी, to go and give auditions for everything that you feel like you fit or you don't fit.
Yeah.
तो यही आराम नगर में पास में है, और जहाँ जहाँ पूरे बॉम्बे में जहाँ जहाँ ऑडिशन उस टाइम पे होते थे, मुझे याद है कि there was a good space of 4-5 years जहाँ मैं अपने ऑडिशंस देता था, and most of them didn't work at that time. I don't know, because I was also learning, understanding how what I can improve about myself as an actor. Good around 600-700 auditions I must have given till now, and for all kind of projects. So my struggle definitely made me more stronger, resilient, more headstrong about things, and thank God for that, because I learned a lot during that process, during that struggling days where things and means were limited. I come from a very middle class family. So it's been a process and it's still going on.
So, what about the first audition that you had?
What about the first audition? It was I think long ago. It was, I think, when I started as an adult actor, leading actor again. It was for a Channel V show, I remember, called Gumrah, and I played a very different role in that. I just experimental stint, but it was a good show, and I did that part actually, and I did get that part, and that's how I started off actually from there, doing a small episodic
We
show.
do remember.
You do remember?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
used to watch that show.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So, how did you prepare for it? Did you like ask from people that what are the things जो audition में होती है? What were the talks at those points?
No, in the sense that obviously you learn from your own trial and error of process of auditioning and understanding as to what briefing you're getting from the casting person. So it does improve you. So that was a simple process, and at that time I remember I had also done a diploma course from Barry John Acting Institute.
Okay.
So I learned from Barry sir also, and Saurabh sir was Sajdeva's the actor.
Yeah.
So he used to be my
The
teacher.
coach.
Yeah, he used to be my.
Back then also.
Yeah, he was the coach in Barry John for us.
Oh wow.
He was used to teach us along with Barry sir. So I had learned a lot from him as well back in the day, because that's why he's, he's so good at what he does. So yeah, I remember that was the learning and the
Yeah.
process of it.
Also, our viewers, they keep commenting कि मुझे भी actor बनना है, मैं भी मुंबई आ रहा हूँ. Umkar, what piece of advice you have for them जो इतना बड़ा risk लेकर, घर बार छोड़कर मुंबई आ रहे, क्या कहोगे उनको?
I think देखिए, कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं है. सवारी सामान की खुद जिम्मेदार है. But be positive. I think if you have that self-belief, if you keep working hard, if you keep working on yourself and your craft, and keep meeting new productive people who add to your journey, who want to see you flourish, be around positive energy, and yeah, I think somewhere or the other जो आपके हिस्से का, आपकी किस्मत का है, वो आपको मिल जाएगा.
मिल जाएगा. Also, journey of an actor is not at all easy. Limelight, glam, ये एक part है. But जो back end पे चीजें होती है, people are not much aware of.
Yeah.
कि I've had a conversation with few actors. They said that they had a bigger role in the film, but at the end post production role कट गया. कुछ एक part था, they have shot halfway, and then they got to know that they got replaced by some nepo kids. So what is your take, and क्या मतलब कैसे you've been dealing it? Is it for you also कि ऐसा कभी आपके साथ भी हुआ है? Some phase.
Well, luckily, I have not faced a situation like that where, I was, my role was cut off by someone or something like that.
Should never
Luckily,
happen, like.
I mean, yeah, hardly have, kind of experienced that. But yeah, there have been times where certain projects I was close to being locked or finalized, and then I got to know someone else from an influential family. Yeah, some star son has sort of replaced me, but that is a part and parcel of this industry. I feel that it happens probably other places as well. So you take it with a pinch of salt and just move on to the next one, and then what else to do.
But एक ज़माना था, we were talking about the nepo kids and all. So nowadays, what the casting is being done on the basis of followers. For example, this person has these much followers, these much subscribers, and the casting directors or maybe the producers, the directors, depends upon the call, they cast them, and then the non-actors basically. So इस वैसे इतने ज़्यादा competition है, इतने सारे actors theater कर रहे हैं, अब उनके लिए तो then again there's another bridge, there's another thing which is hampering them to reach that level.
Yeah, I mean, in the OTT space, with some studios or some channels, they definitely look into, who has more reach.
Yeah.
But I believe I don't think so. They are completely wrong, because it's ultimately art meets business,
Yeah.
and they are also trying to make the show or the project reach to the maximum audience. So they somewhere it's like the same, like in box office in cinema. कि अगर आपकी कोई पहली फिल्म हिट हुई है, आप what are the kind of returns you give as a star?
Yeah.
So it's the same in the OTT space, where probably the measure the way to measure is probably your followers, but you can't measure talent by that. So I think that is a little bit of.
Some filters should be there, which is.
I think this should be. But it depends. There are a lot of projects that I see, like if you see a show like Black Warrant.
Yeah.
That wasn't cast on the basis of any followers or anything as such.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I don't know how it functions. Even I'm figuring out.
Yeah. So also, if you talk about your journey, you have assisted Sanjay Leela Bhansali, also many directors also. So you have been on the screen and off the screen. So we want to know that what kind of an experience it has been to assist Sanjay Leela Bhansali and the different directors. And can we see a collaboration happening? And can we see you go to the directorial part of
Well,
this film?
I mean, to answer.
So many questions. Oh my god.
Yeah, you threw so many questions at me. Obviously, I would love that if Sanjay sir or Farah ma'am, offers me something, or if
Yeah,
I'm
Monday
able,
too.
yeah, if I'm able to be part of something that they feel that I'm fit for,
Yeah.
I would love to do it and work with them as an actor this time, because I've worked with them as an assistant director before,
Yeah.
and it was a great learning curve during that time. And I love their cinema and the kind of films that they make, and so, I would die to be in Sanjay sir's film if there is a part like that. But that only I think they can answer. Yeah. So, and the second question was if I would move to directorial.
Directorial,
I don't know why this question is being thrown at me so much of late, and
Because you've been on the other side, and actors are also experimenting. Some have become entrepreneurs. Some are doing some different kind of work apart from acting as well.
yeah.
So,
I mean,
some
see,
have become producers as well.
yeah. I mean, in the sense that that is something that if life is making me take a turn like that, against my wish and against my dreams, I would happily accept that as well.
But you can direct the movie and then you can be the actor also.
Well, I think I would like to wear one hat at a time.
Or maybe you can cast me as well in some role.
Sure, I think we
I
can
think-
do that. We can debut. We can make your debut in
I
that
think
for sure.
It's a plan
I
for
can-
my debut. I'm
Yeah,
pitching
I'll
plan
be a
for
director in it for sure. For sure we'll try to do that.
Yeah.
So I think, as a probably I'm more comfortable in front of the camera
Yeah.
for the kind of journey I've had all this while, and I believe that genuinely, probably if things had not started off with a debut film like Pyar Ka Panchnama 2,
Yeah.
which I was lucky to get, I still would have had some sort of a mark in terms of the OTT space in today's times, or probably even do lead a great television show also, and have some sort of connection with the audience, I believe. So that is what I'm actually till date chasing, where I get some sort of a project where I'm able to form that connection with the audience, because they are the ones who make us or break us, and
Yeah, and they want to see you do.
yeah, and so am I, because people said that you were really good in the film, you're a good actor, the makers appreciated, but I want to understand why it didn't translate into opportunities. But it's okay. A lot of time is wasted, a lot of time has gone by, but yeah, so I'm happily accepting and making the most of whatever opportunities that are being served my way, where I can actually have some sort of genuine growth.
Yeah.
So maybe in the OTT space, I can work and become probably, prove myself as an actor once again.
And again, I think आपकी आंखों में वो spark है जो पहले भी था and वो
वो
बरकरार
हमेशा
है,
रहेगा।
वो हमेशा रहेगा. And that's why you're so connected with your craft. Also, अगर ओमकार actor नहीं होते तो क्या होते, किस profession में होते? And just imagine that for one day you're not an actor, और कोई भी profession you choosing.
Okay.
किस
I
जगह?
probably would have been, I would have been part of the entertainment industry or the films or the cinema world for sure, in some way or the other. If not Bollywood, maybe Hollywood, maybe Southern film industry, or,
Oh, yes.
or some way or the other. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so. I think I believe that I look at myself as an actor and not as a star, because that is something audience creates. We don't. वो हमारे हाथों में नहीं होता. आपकी जनता आपको बनाती है star.
Yeah.
So I look at myself as an actor probably, and wherever and whatever opportunities that I get, and if I'm able to do my job in a good way, maybe I'll be able to deliver that and make a space for myself, and that's all that I'm wanting. And I feel like life को मुझे उतना तो देना ही पड़ेगा.
And there's a fan question. What is your nickname at home?
Oh, so my mummy calls me Baba. That's my nickname, and that has various versions in the house. So my brothers call me Babu and Baba. So I don't know. बचपन में पढ़ा था और तब से बस ऐसे ही चल रहा है. तो घर में बब्बा बुलाते हैं.
Yeah. So also talking about upcoming projects, ऐसा कौन सा collaboration है that you would love to do with some actor?
Okay.
Would you choose?
There's been a long list of actors and filmmakers that I've been wanting to work with. It's there in my phone with all those makers, filmmakers, and actors that I've been wanting to work with.
Oh, you have documented it, like.
Absolutely. That's how I started off. And you know how Shah Rukh sir spoke in an interview that मैंने एक list बनाई थी life में कि इन लोगों के साथ काम करना है मुझे, and how he ticked off most of them in life.
Wow.
Similarly, I think every actor, probably at least me, I've done that. I mean, there are certain actors I look up to, like Ranbir Kapoor, Rajkumar Rao, even a Vikrant Massey, he's done
He's
fantastic.
gotten his national award,
Yeah.
and that too alongside Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan got national award after 33 long years.
Yeah.
Why? I was there at the UN. I was looking at SRK. Why 33 long years?
I don't know, maybe it takes that much for a national award, but he got the world's love. I think that was,
Yes, and I was breathing same air as
that is bigger
Shah
than
Rukh
I
did.
feel anything else.
Yes.
I think he's someone that there's only one king and there's only one King Khan, and the way he is, and he's just phenomenal in one lifespan to become what he's become and the way he is. There's a lot to learn, there's a lot to imbibe
Yeah.
from him. So yeah.
Also, if you're talking about food, so I too can't resist. I mean, why are you not having?
I am
I think
actually.
he's trying to show that how controlled he
No,
is.
not at all. I'm a Punjabi at
disciplined.
heart. I
Punjabi?
love my I'm
ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੋ?
they see the Punjabi are full on. They
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
But-
ਸ਼ਰਾਂਟੇ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਸੈਲਡ ਸੁਲਡ
ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਐਕਟਰ ਵੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਲਡ ਖਾਣਾ ਪਊਗਾ.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਐਕਟਰ
So I think a little bit of balance, but I had last night itself. I had some good.
we want proof so we can't
I
trust
swear,
you.
I had some. I have some
Kasam.
great mom के हाथ का बना हुआ मटन करी है.
Alright, then अगर मम्मी की बात है तो of course you would be right. Also talking about your fitness mantra, what do you do and intermittent fasting करते हो जो बाकी चीजें लोग करते हैं. I mean, are you that particular about your diet, about gymming, about meditation?
Not at all.
What is your mantra? Do you want to know that?
Not at all. In fact, I'm the most indisciplined guy in terms of my eating habits or my, my lifestyle. But I'm trying to get there. I am trying to improve on things. I try to balance off. There are days when I just end up eating some junk
Yeah.
because you end up feeling in the low time where you feel like eating some good food, and that's what probably gives you your dopamine or
So what's your go-to food whenever you are low, and we'll get you some.
I mean, there are lots of things, but घर का simple home food, maybe rajma chawal.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I
It
think
was in my
or,
mind. Rajma chawal is for life.
yeah.
And what is a Sunday food like? I mean, for us, it's chole bhature every Sunday.
Okay, no, so I've reduced my non-veg eating, so it becomes like on Sundays. This is a ritual in the Punjabi household, I think. My mama says कि हफ्ते में एक दिन non-veg बनाएंगे और वो खाएंगे. So she cooks really good chicken or mutton curry that day in the afternoon for lunch, and all of us, all three brothers, gather and have the home cooked good food, and my God, nothing better than that.
So also, is there any particular role that you've always wished to do, that some psychopath or some bilkul दीवाने वाला आशिक
I mean,
or
that
something
that is something that's still, a passionate, obsessed lover is someone
Yeah.
probably, I would also like to play. But a psychopath, no, I don't think so.
On screen, only just for the screen.
I mean, unless the story is, is doing justifying to the idea, and maybe then, but I don't think so. That's something. Maybe some thrillers, some intense human dramas, is something that I would like to explore.
Yeah.
But till the time I have my decent looks that I have.
The sweet.
I would like to explore a little more of what I'm good at.
Also, बॉलीवुड के बारे में तरह तरह की बातें होती है. हमने बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड में भी देखा, काइंड ऑफ एक्सपोज किया है, मतलब काइंड ऑफ कुछ कुछ बिट्स एंड पीसेस उठा के उन्होंने बनाई हमारे लिए सीरीज. ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ अगर आपने बॉलीवुड पार्टीज अटेंड नहीं करी तो यू मिस आउट ऑन अपॉर्चुनिटीज, या कुछ लोगों के साथ बना कर नहीं रखी. सो डू यू थिंक इट्स द सेम केस इन टुडेज टाइम आल्सो?
I mean, बना के तो सबके साथ रखनी चाहिए.
पर वो दूसरे तरीके से बनाने वाली बात है.
I don't know. I'm not invited to such
Is it a
parties.
safe place for men also? I mean,
See, there are all kinds of people in this industry, I believe. Even I've heard stories of, the kind of things that you're mentioning. But there are all kinds of people in the industry. There are good, there's bad, there's ugly. So it's what you choose and what suits you, and whether you decide to take that path or not. And yeah, power sometimes is exploited by certain people.
has somebody called you like, Omkar, have dinner with me, and then we'll see that काम करना है कि नहीं.
So in terms of an indecent proposal that you're talking about, I haven't got it yet as of now, and I hope I don't.
Oh yeah, please.
I hope I don't get an indecent proposal like that. But yeah, there have been. I mean, we've heard stories of casting couch, and we've heard stories of things. So there are certain things that probably does happen.
Yeah.
But as long as you know how to conduct yourself, you know what is the approach that you are having. You know that you are probably only there for your work, for your talent, and so I think you should just do that. And rest, I don't know, yaar. This is too much of a world that I'm not aware of, to be honest. So yeah, it must be happening, not to me, thankfully.
But something about Bollywood which that you want to tell to people that these are the things which you have to be prepared of before stepping into the world of Bollywood, because it looks glamorous, but see, patience is the you have to be patient कि आपको वो तोड़ ना दे ये जर्नी के बीच ही, मतलब it shouldn't break you, it shouldn't consume you. So how should actors prepare, like the budding actors should prepare themselves?
I mean, have definitely, like you mentioned, build that patience in you, along with the passion that you have, and be around people who guide you right. Sometimes people tend to misguide you here and kind of waste your time, and knowing that they, what is the right path for you or what is not. And
because they're insecure or jealous, maybe?
I don't know, insecure, jealous, distract you for whatever. I don't know. Just stay around positive energy. Try to meet new productive people. That's more important. Yeah, so there can be good people and bad people, like all fields.
Yeah.
You got to choose your ones.
Alright, so now we are moving to my favorite round.
Rapid fire. Okay.
Not
Bring it on.
rapid fire. Morning shoot or late night shoot?
Early morning show.
One star you'd love to work with?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Would you ever, collaborate with Kartik Aaryan again? Is there any collaboration which is happening soon?
I would love to. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe someone can cast us together as Bada Bhai, Chota Bhai types. Maybe, yeah.
Quick dance move.
Quick dance move.
Who? Lovely. Street food or 5-star dining? Expensive khana ya fir?
Not 5-star dining. Maybe some comfort food.
Okay, one movie you'd love to watch, again and again. There should be one movie that you watch it on repeat. One Bollywood.
Bollywood movie.
Yeah.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. I think that
Okay.
movie.
Romantic or action? Romance or action?
Both.
Okay,
Why
both.
not? Why not a romantic action film?
Most used app on your phone?
Instagram? I think, yeah.
Okay.
Guilty, charged, as charged.
Last person you stalked?
Last person I stalked. I don't think so I can name that person.
Okay. What Bollywood trend that you love? Something about Bollywood that you love the most?
I don't know. I think there's lots of things that, one thing you love. There are lots of things I hate, in fact, but I don't know how much what would I love.
So honest.
Uh,
What do you hate?
No, just the fake culture, fake, you know, things. I don't know. Works for certain people and works. I'm also learning.
One South actor that you admire the most.
One South actor I
Yeah.
admire the most. I think Ramcharan sir.
Alright. Why?
Because he has that intensity in him
True that.
for the way he plays. So, yeah.
Alright. Paps or no paps? Are you the one who's like
No
posing
paps,
for the
yeah.
paps and then, or are you the one who's hiding?
No, not hiding. I just prefer with no paps in my personal space. But if there's a red carpet, yes, please,
Yes,
paps
paps.
come. We want to, we want to come for that. We want you all to be there. What's a red carpet without without paps?
Gym
But-
or yoga?
Gym.
Okay. If your life was a film, तो उसका title क्या होता?
If my life was a film, well, highs, lows, and highs.
Wow. If you were to collaborate with, for a biopic, for a sports biopic, तो किस उस पे बनती cricketer पे? किस cricketer की biopic you'd love to play?
Well, I'll have to work my ass off to be as disciplined as Mr. Virat Kohli. But
Yeah, we saw the picture, and we really wanted to discuss,
yeah,
what
so I
project.
think that is a passion. I mean, that's a dream role to have, but long way to go for that.
But who would play Anushka in that?
That the director will decide, not me.
I was expecting that you would say Anushka herself.
No, I don't think so. Virat sir will
Will
let,
never allow
will let
you.
that happen.
Okay, finish this line. Success for me is.
Peace and happiness.
Alright. Worst audition memory. Worst day on the set.
There have been times where you've had a breakdown and mentally blocked.
Do actors also have a breakdown on the set? I thought it's only me who is having a breakdown.
No, absolutely. Our job is emotional. Our job is, we are putting our head and soul in it, and so it does. You do have a mental block or a bad mood day or some emotional turmoil that you're going through,
Yeah.
and sometimes it reflects. But that's what, as actors, we need to learn. But yeah, there.
Who do you go to? I mean, like, somebody should be a go-to person, or you're calling, or maybe ranting.
Maybe my brother Vikas.
I think we have to interview him as well, because he'll be very honest about you and he won't put any filters in on.
No, I think your family, your loved ones.
Yeah. But somebody from the industry you trust the most, or maybe you're connected with very closely, or your work, you're talking to, or you're meeting maybe. Is there any industry friend? Do you have any industry friend? Did you not make it purposely, or did you think
No,
that
I've been wanting to make it, but I have not really happened to have that connection with anyone as such, where there's some sort of like-mindedness or mutual growth that we feel we are, having that. But it's been a long time. I did have my association previously before with people, but I've lost them, so my bad luck.
Okay, one message you have for your fans, the people who are watching us,
One message
what
for
do you want
fans.
to convey?
Well, I think, I believe that I'm good at what I do. And
We
I
all
do-
believe, we just mentioned it,
Yeah,
of course.
so I believe that I do things honestly and earnestly. So I just need certain opportunities to prove it once again.
Yeah.
And, maybe the makers around and the fans that I'll have again, hopefully will help me do that.